Einhell, German manufacturer of power tools. This is a 650 watt reciprocating saw. These products are becoming more and more popular, not just with the professionals, but with the DIY guy as well. These are really super useful. It's literally like a big version of a jigsaw, and I'm going to show you the product now. So that's the box, and here's the product. You've got an inline, very streamlined machine, nice weight, handle nicely locked away, so you've got full control of the business end as well. You've got a rocking plate as well, so you tend to use these a little bit on a rocking motion to cut through bigger things. It'll cut up to 150 mil in wood and 10 mil in iron as well, so really useful bit of kit. Really packs a punch. You've got an on-off switch which you can lock with a button on the side, so you can have continuous use. You have on there as well speed control, so it's variable speed, so you can actually vary the speed to what particular product you're cutting, so you're always in control of the machine. Really great product from Einhell, super slim as we said. At the business end of the machine as well, you have great no tool blade change, which is really useful, especially if you're outside, so you don't have to get an Allen key, start messing about with screws and washers, etc. Really clever and simple to change the blade. You simply just twist the collar back, slide the blade out, slide your new blade into the groove, and it locks, and it's in there properly. The item comes with a standard blade, standard wood cutting blade. Lots of blades available for this particular machine. Wood cutting, metal cutting, tile cutting. There's even blades which are cut through wood and metal combined. So multi-use, different lengths as well. And this is a nice little feature on the rocking plate as well. You can actually take it out completely if it's in your way, or you can actually set it to varying different lengths depending on what size of blade or length of blade you have in there as well. So it's really great. As we would always say, we recommended that if you are changing blades, unplug the item, and obviously if you're using the item, wear some gloves and some safety goggles. That's a matter of principle, just to keep yourself nice and safe, because obviously bits flying off when you're cutting timber and steel, etc. You don't want that getting in your eyes. Super product from Einhell, fully guaranteed, really nice product, beautiful weight. As we said, becoming more and more popular. Great for gardeners if you've got to get tree roots and stuff like that out of the ground and you've got to make some big cuts. It's great for the work site. It's a really universal tool, cracking price. Visit your Real Deal stockist and have a look at one for yourself.